Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you want to click on these three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Now you want to click on, here on Content Preferences, and you can see Restricted Mode option. So just go ahead and click that. And here you just want to click Turn Off, and you need to enter your passcode. So just go ahead and click Next, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.